There's more on the other side. John Deere Southeast Farm Equipment. Shit. Oh, I meant to pause that. I hit end. So I'm at Southeast Farm Equipment John Deere dealer. 5045, 5075, 5055. I meant to do this all in one video, but oh, I hit the wrong button. Now I don't feel like editing it, so there's another big heavy axle. Ooh, I like them tires. $551.15. There's a big used combine. $51.21, $51.25. I mean, $51.15. Let's walk over here, Wyatt. Big combine. S680 John Deere. Big old beast. Probably 6'6" tire. Say wow. Back there's an old combine. $50.45. Yeah. Seed runner. Underfirth. Seed runner. $37.55. That looks like some kind of side mower. Here's an older John Deere used. $51.03. Something this size would work good for us if it had a loader on it, because it'd be cheaper than the new one. $7.90. A little bush hog on the back. Wonder if that loader there would fit on that one.
Don't take them too far out there. It's wet out there.
I'm not going any farther out. I'll walk over here. 440R. Because that'd be something to look into too. See if we can get an older one, and one that already has a bucket, and or if it don't, get a new one for it. Here's a box grader. This looks like a rototiller. There's some, looks like maybe a flail mower bush hog, and those are regular bush hogs. Way back yonder, looks like they have some more. I don't know if they're being worked on or if they're just used, and then inside the fence there they have some other stuff. Ooh, back in there might be like an old 1520. It looks a little small to be that, but if it was 1520, I'd definitely be interested in that. So let's walk back around here and look. Stand right there, Wyatt. I can't tell what that is. Oh, he took off. Gotta go get him. Say, run, 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 run. And here's a John Deere 3043. There's a bottle of water in the cup holder. See, this would be a decent size too. Can you hold him for a second? Alright. There you go. Messing with my camera here a little bit. 4052 for a 40R loader. This one would be really nice, but it's probably way out of our price range. And just a little bit bigger than what we would need, but it'd be nice. But this one around here, 3032, like this one, I think it's around the same size as out and up front. This would be like the perfect size. It's like the same size as the Kubota we looked at. $30.25. This actually might be the same one if that's 25 horsepower, because that's what that one was we looked at Cumberland Tractor. $30.32. $30.32. $30.25. Back here are some mowers, zero turns and garden tractors. $100 series lawn tractors. Don't just stand there, sit here. Experience the comfort of a John Deere. That sign says.